name? Winter bass.
The fisherman in me says hush.
Winter bass? That's badass. Winter bass is badass. Oh, well, this is free.
I'm going to tell a joke while she tunes. So this Indiana priest and a biker walk into the bar. The bartender's like, "What is this? Some kind of a joke? Yeah? No? Okay. That gets worse. Guy walks into a bar with a piece of concrete under his arm. The bartender says, "What can I get you?" He says, "I'll take a beer and one for the road." Come on, it's all ages, people. Come to the night show if you want the good stuff.
What am I doing? Why did I come? Did I dress up for nothing? Just to sit here alone?